Hi guys, my name is Esther. I'm with Profashion, and today I'm going to show you guys how to do curls with the Legend thermal comb. Okay, to start with, we're going to need the clip and a comb to brush your hair. Divide your hair to sections, starting with the bottom layer. So because my hair is thick, I'm going to put the temperature on 450 to do curls. Now to do the curl, I'm going to take a pretty big section and I'm going to start from the back. I'm going to take the comb my hair out. I'm going to clip this front piece away also. To start off doing a curl, I'm going to take my comb out the hair. To hold this comb, you want to hold it at a 45 angle, the tip pointing downwards. Now you're going to take the section. You're going to bring the comb as close as you can to the root, and then you're going to flip it away from your face and glide it down slowly. And as I get to the bottom of the hair, I do another flip. Now we're going to do curls on the right side, and we're going to use the comb using our left hand. So you're going to take a section, comb out your hair. So the comb we're holding at a 45 angle degree. You're placing it over the hair, and we're going to flip it upwards 180 degrees and slowly glide. So this is the finished look. Using the comb does require some practice. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos and tutorials, go to profashionhair.com.